Hello everyone. So our next question in the unsolved part of DFS is find bottom left tree value. Okay, let's open it and try this question. And after that we will do the find largest value in each tree row and jump game 3. But at first let's go through this question. Okay, it's taking time. Yeah, finally it's here. So not bad a question, not a bad question. Find bottom left tree value given a root of binary tree. Return the leftmost value in the last row of the tree. Okay, last row. These are the first row, second row. So okay, this is 1 will be the answer and 7 is the answer here. So what we can do is either we can go for level order traversal. Yeah, level order traversal will seem fine. Like first this, second this, third this, and whatever will the last or last level output it. Okay. Other way to do it is, yeah. There's also another way. Is it? Okay. So no. From 1 we have to explore both sides. From 3 we have to go to check 6 too. Okay. There's no other way. DFS will work here absolutely no problem. Like we do DFS everywhere and wherever it's the but level order traversal looks pretty better idea. Okay, I'm gonna go for level order traversal. So what a level order traversal is, let's take a simple recap. What we are going to do, we will do BFS. So for BFS we are gonna take a queue, put this root inside the queue. Okay, then check take its left child, then right child inside the queue, then further it's their child. Okay, similarly we will go till the last level, and whatever will be the last level we are gonna return the leftmost value of it. Okay, okay, so without any delay let's start. Okay, so let's take a queue. Queue is our node. Okay. So if root is null, what will the number of nodes is 1, so root can't be null, so there's no problem. Now we will go for BFS. This is BFS. While there is queue, we will okay, while there is queue, let's take a temporary variable, temporary array. Okay, and this time while there's any element in queue, while there is any element in queue, pop it and store it inside QUE. Okay, node is equal to dot pop. So as it is a queue, we are gonna pop from first, pop 0. Now if node dot left is there, if node dot left, then append it inside the temp dot append node dot left dot, okay, node dot left directly. If node dot right is there, then temp dot append node dot right. Okay, cool. Now when the queue will be empty, we have our next level in temp and queue become empty. So what we do is we update the queue by temp. And there's one more case. If temp is there, then only we are going to do this. Okay, if it is not the case, then we are going to else. If temp is not, temp is like empty, else break everything. Okay, so and else instead of this we can also do return. What we can do here is, yeah, so one more condition we can put here. If not root dot left and not root dot right. Okay, Return the leftmost value in the last row of the tree. Yeah, it will work. So if neither there is left, neither there is right, then return root.val. Okay. Else here return temp 0 dot val. Okay, not temp 0. If temp is there, then only now. That's a problem. So let's also take last level. We are also taking a variable where we will store the last level. So if temp, then q is also temp, and last level will be last level equals also temp. And okay, so initially last level is only root. We don't need this one. We have the last level. We are doing DFS. If temp, then q is equal to temp, and last level is also temp. Okay. When it will end, I have our last level. We have to return last level of 0, the first value dot 1. Let's see whether it's a straightforward level auto traversal in a way. Okay. According to it, last level of 0. Let's try to print it the last level and see what's the problem. Okay, print last level. Instead, we should print last level every time we are updating it. Okay, here it's empty. Why is this empty? If temp is there, then only I am updating it now. Let us suppose no, rather I should do like q is equal to temp, nobody's. Okay. If temp, then last level equals to temp, it will also work. But it is saying it will. Okay. I don't know why. Oh, that's why. Instead of this, we have to copy it. Because if we won't copy it, this temp is equal to null will become our new. Yeah, that's what the problem. It's some at the end, if we are going to do last level equal to temp, it will point to temp. And after this, whenever it go back and it will convert temp is equal to empty list, it will give a wrong result. Okay, so let's try to submit it. Oh yeah, it's working. So thank you guys for watching. Subscribe it for more further questions. Thanks.